This is Flipping 101. Can you hear me?
It's not loud here at all, right?
You got construction noise, plane noises. Hi, how are you?
Hey, I'm good. How are you? Nice to meet you. We're in Playa del Rey, so you're close to the beach, the airport, but you've got the noise, so.
Well, the good thing is, it's not gonna affect your value because the comps are in the same neighborhood. And then how much did you guys pay for the house?
$1,030,000.
What's the rehab budget?
He's trying to keep me around 100 grand.
What are you hoping to resell it at?
My goal number is 1.4, but Carlos thinks 135 is more of a realistic number.
Well, let's go see what you guys bought.
Yeah.
So the outside needs a little bit of work. What are you doing with this tree?
I'm a tree hugger hippie, so I hope we can keep it. Walking into this space, the first thing I feel like is that the flow and the energy is kind of cut off. I'm really into like feng shui and the energy of the place. No, seriously, like from a design perspective, I feel like flow is super important.
Agree.
And this is blocking that. It just feels not very welcoming.
Look at this kitchen. It's like 25 feet long and about 4 feet wide.
I know.
Yeah.
The old galley style, that was how they did it back in the day. They liked everything all compartmentalized.
Okay, and to confirm, so you've flipped houses, but you lived in them as your primary residence, you fixed them up and you sold them.
Yeah.
So why did you decide to start flipping houses?
That's flexible. I can still take care of my kids, and it doesn't mean I have to, work a 9-to-5 job.
Okay, so here's the truth about house flipping. The only way it works is if you love it. You have to love design, you have to love real estate, you have to be an investor, and you have to have passion for the business itself. And that's the only way to really grow a business.
I can tell you we loved the projects that we lived in and renovated. I'm looking forward to seeing whether or not this flip works out.
I can imagine just like the really long island.
Okay.
When you walk through the door, you'll have like the kitchen cabinets, you'll have the long island, and then you'll have the hallway, so it's all gonna look the same.
Absolutely.
Right.
Well, this is bedroom number 1, I guess.
This is the bedroom?
I know.
You have a 2.25 bedroom house.
I'm hoping that's like a starter home for a family.
It's a tiny little bathroom.
My big concern for this bathroom is if we have to put a bathtub in here, it's gonna have to be custom.
If you can get a bathtub in here, you should, but if it's like completely overpriced, then maybe we consider a different option. Oh, these bedrooms are bad.
I know, they're so tiny. The master is a little better, but we got our issues too here.
It is dark.
Dark in here, not a single light, actually. The bathroom is absolutely hideous and has to be gutted.
In here, you're probably looking at about 10,000. Then you have this nice room down here, but again, it is so dark. It can get really expensive, but Amber and Carlos, they really need to rebuild this space into a functioning family room or even add an office space to make it part of the house. They budgeted about $100,000 for the renovation, but based on everything that I'm seeing, it's coming in around $130,000.
This is one of my favorite parts of the house. I feel like it's kind of fun. The pool is not in terrible shape. I mean, it needs to be replastered.
So you paid $1,030,000 for the house.
Right.
And how much do you pay monthly on the mortgage?
About $6K.
Let's just say start to finish, it's gonna take 5 months. So $30,000 carrying costs, you plan on putting $100,000 in the house, and then your closing costs and commission are gonna be about $70,000. So break even is gonna be $1,230,000
Right.
if everything works out perfect.
I'd love to start right away, but it was a probate sale. As you can kind of walk around, it feels a little creepy.
Talking about the dark energy.
I wanna break things. What are you talking about?
I have this friend, and she actually comes in and she clears the energy of the space. I know it sounds like voodoo.
Stay open-minded to this, because I had to be.
If she can get out here quick and de-demonize the house or whatever you're trying to do, we should do that so we can actually start demo.
Okay.
What are you feeling down in this space?
Let's see what's going on. Like the bar, I'm not.
The bar needs to go.
Yeah. That bar area was not a happy place.
Really?
They were telling me over and over and over again, get rid of this.
Wow, okay.
It was not really a place that was connected before.
Yeah, I
Very
was
bad
kind of picking up
vibes.
on that too. Just feels wrong.
Amber and Carlos are flipping a house in Playa del Rey, California. They budgeted $100 grand for the construction, but that house needs a lot of work, so I'm really concerned that it's gonna get higher. Oh my God, look how much better that looks.
That looks amazing.
Wow.
So happy with it.
The space feels twice as big.
It does.
My favorite part is you open the door and you have a straight shot of that
Absolutely.
huge fireplace.
I love it.
This is where the stove is gonna be. And I would love to see like a 6 to 8 foot island right here.
And the style I want to do in here is like this sort of Scandinavian minimalist look. So do I go custom here?
If you spend that money for custom cabinets, you'll never get it
No.
back. Depending on the overall look, maybe a matte white could be cool.
Yeah, just brighten this whole space up.
And it's gonna make the kitchen look custom without spending the custom dollar amount on the cabinet.
Yeah.
I missed you two. I haven't seen you in a while. What's going on?
So I have lupus, and he has like a lung condition.
Wow.
So our immune systems are suppressed from medication. So we're like in that part of the population that's really high risk.
Don't leave your house.
I've been going to the property just at night when no one is there, just so I can kind of like make sure that, you know, the house didn't burn down.
So are you guys on schedule?
One thing we can't control is the city government.
The city's restricting job sites. I have to have like 1 or 2 guys working in separate parts of the house.
The good news is they just released real estate agents as essential. So now more than ever, be on top of your contractors, be on top of the city if you can reach them, and we have to finish.
Working on it. So I tweaked Tarek's idea for the kitchen cabinets to something I think pops a little bit more. I changed it from a white to a light wood grain. I think it's gonna go better with my Scandinavian boho style. Oh yeah, cover that all up, baby. It's been pretty frustrating trying to flip in the middle of a pandemic because I can't be in the same space with the contractors. I just have to hope that they're installing everything the right way. Oh my gosh, here's the master bath. I'm just loving how this turned out. As rooms are coming together, we're actually staging it ourselves so that we can get on the market as soon as possible. We built a little bed, little house bed. I like to go through and do what's called smudging. We're gonna clear the energy in the home for its new beginning and its new owner.
All right, guys, so the house is wired up. We have our hidden cameras. People are showing up. You guys ready for the open house?
Oh my gosh, this is the test.
It looks like we might have a
They've got
family
a
here.
kid.
What they were able to achieve with the open concept remodel is gonna feel a lot bigger.
Some pretty good realtors, guys.
Yeah, they're awesome.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
They brought a little dog with them.
Wait a minute, they're bringing a
They
dog
brought
in your
the
brand new
dog in.
house? What are you doing?
Oh wow, is this a touchscreen stove? That's awesome.
Oh, she likes the appliances?
I love it.
I don't know if it's gonna be enough storage space.
Yeah, that's not really a lot of room.
Yeah, that was definitely a struggle with that house, is there's not a ton of space for cabinetry.
Well, that's because it's a 1,600 square foot house. It's just 1.5 million.
This is a little small to be considered a bedroom.
Listen, my mom put me in the garage. The kid can sleep in a small bedroom, okay?
Oh, that explains a lot.
Tiny little tub, though.
Perfect size for a dog.
Oh my God, it's a perfect dog
In
tub.
the market, you gotta say, second bathroom for babies or dogs.
That's not too bad.
Come on.
Oh, this bathroom's awesome. Similar tile to the other bathroom.
Definitely a bigger tub too. Oh, it wouldn't.
There it is.
I love this drop down. Such a wow factor. It has a lot of personality to this room. I love that they painted the brick so it's all white.
Oh wow.
Kids' room.
This is just like a little bonus playroom. Challenging for me to see where we would put storage.
Shoot.
I love the fact that it's open and there's so much light. It's a little office, which is great because now I'm working from home.
Wow, boom.
Oh wow, look at this. This is perfect. Oh my goodness, Kai. Look at this. I love it.
Carlos and Amber's budget mistakes almost ruined them. But with a little bit of luck and maybe some supernatural help, they actually accepted an offer for over $1.6 million. Unfortunately, that offer fell through and they accepted a backup offer at $1,535,000.